Did you know that 82% of the avocado oils that were tested are fake? Yes, they are fake. We are not getting what we think we are. And today we're going to talk about it. So we're going to talk about what are the good avocado oils, what are the bad ones, and I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how to pick the best avocado oil. Before I share with you these tips, I want you to go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe and the notification so you get notified every time I post more videos that help you understand God's love for you and how your body was created. Now, let's get started. Basically, with no standards set by the FDA, we don't know if what's on the label is actually in the product. So this study from the University of California, Davis, revealed that 82% of the avocado oils don't have 100% avocado oil in them. I hate it when those studies come out because I want to think I'm doing what's best by adding in avocado oil into my family's diet because it has such rich vitamins and minerals and essential fatty acids. It helps people to prevent heart disease. It helps to correct imbalances. It's good for diabetics. It's good for everyone who wants to get rid of inflammation. It's a high cooking oil, high cooking smoke point. It's just an all-around good oil to have. But yet, they found one of the oils had 100% soybean oil. That's horrendous to discover this. We need to understand what's on the label and what's not. So I picked up 3 bottles. I have 2 that we're going to look at the labels and decide, okay, is that good or is it bad? And I have 1 that's exceptionally good. In their study, they found some of them were very oxidized. In fact, they were so oxidized that it was very rancid. And we're going to talk about this at the end with my 5 tips on how to choose a good avocado oil. So stay tuned for that. That's important. So some of their oils were rancid, some had very little bit of avocado oil, others had canola oil, sunflower oil, and soybean oil, and there was even one that had corn oil in it. These are oils we're not paying for. The reason they're doing this is because those oils are cheap, mass produced. Avocados take longer to grow. They aren't as mass produced. You're not going to see fields and fields and fields of avocados like you do soybeans and corn. Let's just go over the testing and the importing of the different brands of avocado oil. We have extra virgin and virgin. This is supposed to be just a mechanical process, and there's nothing wrong with that. It means they pressed the fruit, the fresh fruit, to get the best oil out of it. Now, refined oil, that is where you've got heat and chemicals, which changes the nutritive value to be, in some cases, carcinogenic. And so this means the oil went from being a free radical fighter to a free radical problem. And that's what happens when our oils are heated too high, when we don't get fresh fruit, when we get fruit that is not good, we can actually have a carcinogenic oil. Some of the samples there were 2 samples that actually were very pure and non-oxidized. And I'm going to share with you those 2 samples. One of the samples that was totally pure and 100% non-oxidized was this brand here. It's called Chosen. Chosen is a brand that I actually was able to pick this up at Kroger today. So if you have a Kroger near you, you can also buy this online. I'll put a link to it down below. So Chosen is a very good brand. It tested 100% pure in their test. Another brand that tested well is Marianne's avocado oil. So those are the top 2, and those are actually both made in Mexico. Now, when you look at the American-made products, you're going to be looking for CalPure, C-A-L-P-U-R-E. Now, when I looked at the word CalPure, I was thinking of this brand, which is California Olive Ranch. And it's not the same. This is not the same product as the product that actually passed all of their tests. It's called CalPure. Of all of the samples that they tested, only those 3 brands passed the test of being pure, not oxidized, and 100% avocado oil.
Struggling with cravings, fatigue, or confusion about your health? You're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.
Let's go over the 5 tips as to how you can buy the best avocado oil. Number 1 is flavor. So just realize, authentic, fresh, virgin avocado oil is going to be a grassy flavor, a buttery flavor, and a little bit like mushrooms. Now, to be quite honest, the three of them together does not make me want to go out and enjoy some avocado oil. But the health benefits, protects against heart disease, helps with diabetics, helps people lose weight because it's a healthy fat. It's just amazing health benefits. Now, virgin avocado oil should be green in color, whereas a refined avocado oil is going to be light colored. It's going to maybe even be a little bit of yellow. How you store it is going to determine the life of that oil. We do not want to buy a huge container of oil because it can go rancid just by the timeline of when it was bought. So even good oil becomes rancid with time. It's important to purchase a reasonable size that can be finished before the oil oxidizes. Store the oil away from light and heat. Do not put this in a pantry near your stove. Do not store it in a shaker bottle on your stove to use as you desire. Make sure it is stored in a pantry away from the stove, away from light and away from heat. A dark cabinet would be best. How do you know if oil is rancid? Well, it starts to smell stale. I've had oils that just smell like, oh, that is awful. That is not good at all. Sometimes people say it smells like Play-Doh when it's bad. So use your senses and you will know whether or not you have rancid olive oil. And then number 5 is the date. The best before date is not always a reliable indicator of quality. There you have it. Now, I'm not trying to scare you away from avocado oil. In fact, I want you to use avocado oil in your cooking. It's a delicious food. It has so many nutritive values to it. It should be a part of your cooking at least once a week. Add some avocados into your diet as well. Get those healthy fats, healthy fiber, healthy protein, and hey, it's even got some fiber, so make sure that's a plus. So let me just share with you, remember the secret to shopping. Go back and check that video out. God knows the plans that He has for you, plans to prosper. That prospering is not just in your health, but that your health is well and that you are able to share the gospel around the world.
Struggling with cravings, fatigue, or confusion about your health? You're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.
Are you ready to have more fun in life and not be plagued with sickness and tiredness? At the Reclaim Retreat, we see transformations happen as soon as you arrive at this anointed place, a sacred space where God is at work and you can truly rest in His presence. Join a community of like-minded individuals ready to reclaim their health, their joy, and their God-given purpose. Come be refreshed, be renewed, be transformed. Spots are limited. Save yours today. Register now at biblicalwellnessretreat.com and reclaim what God has already promised you.